We have filmed on 4 of the roller coasters. Like, what an incredible opportunity. We're so thankful to Kentucky Kingdom for bringing us in and letting us have that opportunity. That was like not only so much fun, but just such an honor, and we're just so thankful. So now that that part is all over, we are going to grab our swim stuff, change in bathing suits, and head into the water park, because otherwise we'd probably die. So we're gonna go enjoy some water and have some fun in the water park, cool off. Oh, I'm starving.
That's fine. I'm hungry.
Hi, hungry. Nice to meet you.
I'm starving.
Let's go get some food. How's it going? Hey, can you wave at me when you get up there so I can see when you're coming? Alright, got barbecue chicken wrap. Derek's got a burger. Wow, that looks nice.
And we're eating the nuggets.
Chicken tenders. These are giant, which is great because I'm starving. How's the burger?
Very good.
It looks amazing. Wow, look at all that good stuff on there. Ooh, yeah. How's the water? Ander!
Andrew, stay with us, though.
Oh, yeah, thank you.
Once the weather clears, we will announce the reopening of attractions. Thank you for your cooperation.
Hi, buddy. Whoa,
You didn't see the lightning?
that was thunder. That was really loud. What in the world did you get?
Oh, the flavor.
What did you get?
Ice.
Oh my gosh. Wow.
I love it. Tiger's fun.
How did it taste? We just announced that everything's gonna open back up. So back to having fun. Let me see your tongues. Like lightly raining. It's raining. Raining in the lazy river. There it is. What happens when you're stuck in the middle of the lazy river? Come on, Ander, we gotta get out.
All right, we just had some fun in the sun at Hurricane Bay. Now we're gonna head up some of the rides. Hey, blast from the past. 5 years ago, I was on this stage during the Keys to the Kingdom event.
Derek, how do you juggle your day at the park, getting credits, capturing footage, getting your kids on rides, etc.? What's your secret?
Well, how's it feel to be back in the theater?
Yeah, last time I was here, I was up there.
Deja vu?
I got so.
Did you like the show? You like the blue team? Leander's got the Meta glasses on. He's gonna record this ride.
Braylon! Braylon!
You took good care of my Meta glasses? Okay, did you get some videos? It's recording a video right now. Whoa! Whoa! Did you get wet? Alright, so don't mind the fact that it's been 110 degrees today and we've been in the water park and I look like I've melted, and that's about where we are. So anyways, we're gonna pretend like I'm not melted. Anyways, this whole Discovery Meadow section of the park is stunning. It's so beautiful. So everything is so well thought out and themed, and there's like flowers galore, and it's just so beautiful. Hershey just completely knocked this section of the park out of the park. Huge difference from when we were here last 5 years ago. And it just makes me really excited to see what they're gonna do next, because this is awesome. That is definitely an interesting way to eat your ice cream. Don't let it fall out, buddy. Oh, it's dripping everywhere. Oh my gosh. We missed the cinnamon bread. The location closes at 7:30 and it's after 8 o'clock. Boo! How high are we? Very high. We still can go higher. How many minutes? 3 minutes. Till what? How did we make it?
I don't know.